Hi guys, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with my first guest designer design team package from Marchena Design, and she is Nadezhda, and she runs a small shop on Instagram, Facebook, but you can order through her. I'll leave all of her information down below. This is the Market Square inspired kit, and I am super excited. She does ship internationally, so if you are interested, go check her out. She definitely has a lot of beautiful items that she's curated together to give you inspo. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. And oh my goodness, you guys, look how beautiful this kit is. So again, this is the Market Square inspired kit. So there is a lot of pieces in here. And I'm super excited. Look at this beautiful tag that she sent along. I love what you did with the edges on this. So cute. Ooh, I'm so excited. So I'm just going to put the box to the side, and then I'm going to pull out the items as we go. So we have this beautiful bundle of lace. I'm just going to take this out of the wrapping. And I am loving this floral detail on this. So beautiful. And I love the mustard. This could actually go with the marigold collection as well. We also have this pink lace. I'm just going to take this out. She wraps everything so beautifully too. And a great little lace mesh number that you can use for layering. And I really think that I want to go a little bit more shabbier with my crafting, including even Maggie Holmes. I've just been loving that style. Oh wow, what is this? So she's taken a beautiful, almost like a, kind of like a placemat, but this is really nice. I love the color. It's so rich. And the backing, it has a kind of a plasticky finish. And I love the little lacy details on this. The color is just stunning. This doily is so pretty. So you got a lot of pieces here that you can just cut apart and use in your projects. So cute. Definitely going to use even this side just to give it like a card, an accent side. So many possibilities with this. So she's included these beautiful stickered buttons, which is really nice. I've never seen these before. Got this beautiful pale periwinkle colored pom-pom trim. Love this. We also have the green one. This could go with any holidays as well. Christmas. Definitely have Christmas on the brain. We also have the buttons in a yellow. Look at these beautiful hearts. Stunning. And then some enamel dots. We also have a huge array of these fun lace trims. I'm just going to take these apart. Ooh, I love the scallop details on this. So pretty. We have this one as well. Let me see. I'm just going to pull it out. It's so much easier to see the details. It's another scallop lace trim. I love the edging on this. So pretty. Got this one here. So pretty. I love the little tear feature on the bottom. Ooh, I have so many ideas for this. Here is another one of that like scalloped edge with the tear. I love all the fine details on this as well. So pretty. You know what? I've never seen trims quite like this. Very different. Let's see. I put a little nice lace number. I'm just trying to pull it out so I can show you the edges. So soft and dainty. I love it. And I know that you can dye it if you do dye. I do not. So I'm very simple. Just want to use it on my projects. I love how soft and dainty this is. Simply stunning. Ooh, I love this sequence one. So this is like a sequence trim. Oh wow, it's like a, almost like a ribbon form. I love the pale blue on this. We also have this little beautiful scalped ribbon. This does scream Maggie Holmes style. So pretty. This one here, the flowers. I love this. Oh, another sequence sequence ribbon or trim. And this one has a green and white stripe. Love that. We also have this green vine trim. This velvet green is so pretty. Oh, I've never seen anything like this before. This is also another beauty. The colors are so rich and so pretty. I can't wait to craft with these. This is a velvet, kind of a cream color, so beautiful. God, this box is endless. There is another cream, cream trim. This is fun. I could see myself taking this apart and just adding it at tuck spots. Got this little, kind of like a rhinestone trim. Another periwinkle. I'm loving this color. I don't have the Market Square collection, but I can see myself using this for various different Maggie projects. This is a gorgeous little number as well. It's almost a soft pale blue. Oh, how pretty. So we have also these little flower bundles. Love them. Got some fabric. This is so pretty. Ideas. We have this kind of like an applique trim. So pretty. It's a beautiful mauve color. Love this. And then more sequins trim. This is like a soft pink. We have a rainbow one, which would go great with some fun carousel projects. Some white sequins trim. And this gorgeous little piece here. Little flower number. So pretty. And she included a box. Oh, wow. There's another bundle here. So in here, there is more little knickknacks. I'm just gonna pull these out. See if I can do this. Yeah. These included some little fun extras. Got some fences, a starburst die. Some flat backs. A lot of bows. A lot of fun little goodies. I wish I had a little case to put these in. Oh, here we go. So I'm gonna just pour these out and then, so you get like a whole bunch of fun little pieces in here. So you got some bows, some puffy hearts, some fun sequences. Oh, some applique trim. These are beautiful. Some tassels, some rolled flowers. Again, some puffies. So you get a whole bunch of little knickknacks. You get some, what do you call these? Little charm key rings. Lots of resin pieces as well. Oh, and you get some fun beads. Look how pretty these are. Buttons. We get some little pom-poms. A box full of goodies. So pretty. And then I have another little bundle here. I'm just going to move all of this to the side so we can make room. Okay. Ooh, so this must be like a more pink section. I love how she color coordinates everything. So excited. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful this is. So this is like a fun mesh trim. Ooh, that does have some fallout. But that's gorgeous. I love this so much. So pretty. We have this star tulle. We have this really soft pink. It's flocked, almost like a, oh, it is flocked. It's flocked tulle, heart tulle. Let's see, we got this little funky gold trim. Oh, it's fun. You can use this for layering. Love that. You have this gold trim. Oh, this is a pretty mustardy yellow. Love that. Perfect for marigold. And then she included, oh, how fun are these? Little gold pieces. So you've got Santa. Thank you, Santa. Or somebody on a sled with the reindeers. Oh, how cute are these? We also have a gold vine. Oh, I love this gold vine as well. So pretty. This box is endless. This beautiful trim. This applique is gorgeous. Oh, separate. This applique is gorgeous, but this tulle is also quite stunning. I love this. So soft and pretty. Got some faux sheets here, faux leather sheets. I have this really pretty hollow gold and this white glitter. We also have another bag of knickknacks. Let's take everything out. Got some bauble beads. Oh, some crocheted hearts. These are so beautiful. I don't know how to crochet, so these are perfect. Lots of little buttons. Some jingle bells. These little bows are so pretty. So many goodness in here. And it's such a beautifully curated kit. Oopsie. Beautifully curated kit that you can really just hit the ground running and craft. Put this together. We have this little rope trim. So pretty. This mauve pom-pom trim. I love pom-pom trims like this. Another little lace bundle. Scallop lace. This one's gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. You have this one here. This is like a tassel trim. A white tassel trim. Another little lacy tulle number. Here is this little wider floral lace. Some white pom-pom trim. This is a beautiful soft pink little ribbon. Oh, these are one of my favorites. This little sequence floral tulle. So pretty. Oh, this is so sweet. This is this little scallop dotted ribbon. We have, oh, this is stunning. I know, I'm like, ooh, it's like Christmas. So you get this kind of scalloped ribbon. Oh, I love how those little scallops are so dainty. This is beautiful. Another sheer scalloped ribbon. Here's some pink lace. So pretty. It's so soft. This is gorgeous. Look at the details on that. Here is some velvet pink trim. This beautiful gold ribbon. This is stunning. They look like flowers and you can add little gemmies in them. Love that. Got some pearl trim. This little itty bitty dainty ribbon. Another little knit lace number. Just gonna pull it out so you can see. Gorgeous, so soft and pretty. Here is this one here as well. I love the little florals, and the centers are just a hint of like a really pretty pink. And then I have these two little bundles here. This is another little scalloped but a peachy color, and this peach lace, which is so pretty. So pretty. And then she's included or lined the bottoms with these wood veneers. So these are great for mixed media projects. I love altering these kind of pieces. They are just stunning. Again, this package is so well curated, especially if you're looking to get into a little bit of more or collecting small samples of trims and ribbons and unique pieces that you have not seen. I know I've been seeing a lot of these pieces and I have been shopping for a while. These are just so stunning. I'll leave the information for her shop down below. She is going to make you a beautiful kit filled with a ton of wonderful, unique items. Check them out, and I'll be back with a project share soon. I can't wait to use these beautiful pieces in my project. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.